What's up everybody, and welcome to another Ryan tutorial video. On this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to be cool like me. So you're probably wondering, Ryan, that's impossible. No one's as cool as you, but it is possible. And with these steps, I'm going to teach you how to be cool. So what you're going to want to do is go to Google. I want you to type in how to be cool. Easy. First easy step. Now, with any Google search, the first search you find is always the best one. 10 tips to instantly look cool. Ignore that it's purple. I've never looked at this before. 10 tips to instantly look cool. How to look cool and act even cooler. Real men, real style. Let's face it, we all want to be cool, but not at the expense of being fake. Am I right? He's right. We all want to be cool, but we don't want to be fake cool, you know? So I'm hoping that this teaches us that, really. Yeah. In the next video, we will be going over how to dress for your body type. Obviously, that one is me, peak male physical condition. A lot of people are like that, but we're going for that. So that's in the next video. So let's start. Tip 1, stand up straight. So what you're not going to want to do, you're not going to want to be like Shaggy from Scooby-Doo, who let me show you. Scooby-Doo Shaggy. So right there, you see how he slouches a little bit? A slouch, you don't want that. You want to be tall. You don't want to be like this guy. He's slouching. He doesn't look cool. His dog, radical. Anyways, stand up straight. You make yourself look small and weak. You don't want to be small nor weak, and God forbid you're both. Don't try too hard. This guy right here, he's trying just right enough. Not too hard, but just enough. Like what makes every James Bond so iconic? It's not that he's like fighting the bad guys and saving the world. It's that he does it without even caring. He's like, I'm James Bond, yo. I do it. So don't try too hard. Be like James Bond. Wear some stylish shades. Easy one. Go to your nearest dollar store. Pick out some sweet aviators. When you walk out of that store, I mean, the cashier herself is going to be thirsting after you. So just be careful with this one, okay? Rock a leather jacket. I mean, leather's always in, boys. Am I right? So what you're going to want to do for this one, you're going to go to Amazon.com. Not many people have heard about this, but I'm sure it'll be fine. Search up leather jacket, and let's put cool at the end. That way you know it's really cool. All right, so we got some choices here. Anything under $50 is a no-go. If it's under 50, it's not cool. I like this one, but 32, all right, this is the one. All right, the Viking Cycle leather motorcycle jacket for men. That guy's cool. He's got some tattoos on his neck right there. You see those? Zippers on the sleeve. Very cool. Some zippers right here too. Hopefully there's some zippers on the back as well. Wow. Peak male condition. So yeah, only 6 left in stock though. Order soon, boys. All right. Anyways, get jeans that fit well. So I want you to go into your closet right now. Throw away all your parachute pants. I know. It's going to be hard, but it's going to be worth it in the end. I want you, and once again, this just prime example, don't be a Shaggy. See those pants? See the bagginess at the end there? That does not fit well. And he's not wearing a leather jacket, and he does not have shades. That looks pretty good though, am I right? Anyways, jeans need to fit well. Add some stubble. Really easy. Just grow a beard. Come on. Probably don't have a dad stash though. So I mean, like I'm rocking like 9 out of 10 of these steps easy. So it's fine to miss one. Um, it's so a bit of style. It'll look of a stylish modern day alpha male. If you don't know what an alpha male is, let's. It's the highest ranking individual. Um, I don't know what these monkeys are doing. Where is his hand? What is happening in this picture? This whole page is. I'm just gonna ignore that guy. Don't look at him. Um, alpha male. That's me. 6'2". That's how tall I am. Not like this silly 5'4" boy. That is an omega male. He's average. But an alpha male, he's cool. Anyways, yeah. Still, walk into a room and know people. You're automatically seen as the cool guy in the room when you reach out to familiar people and act like you know them well. So next time you go to a party or like a work convention or something, the second you get into that room, you look for the coolest person in that room, you march straight to them, and you assert your dominance over them. And you say, I am now the coolest person in the room. It's as easy as that. It's like jail rules. You go, you beat up the biggest, toughest guy, you're the biggest, toughest guy. Assume everyone likes you. For an alpha male like us, that's easy. Because everyone does like us. So ignore this step, because everyone does. Know the rules and break them. Rules? Those are for fools. So like, go jaywalk. Like James Bond, he doesn't dress orthodox. He breaks the conventional rules of society. Discuss your work on your first date. I want you to give them a 3-hour lecture on your work. Tell them everything about your work that you don't like, all the improvements you know you can make, but your boss just doesn't listen to you. Yeah. Be open. Be open about yourself. And finally, know when to drop the cool dude attitude. The cool dude. Gotta shorten it. So, like, maybe don't go to a funeral and be a cool guy. Just be like a mildly cool guy. But then when you leave the funeral and go to the after party, the after funeral party, cool guy persona back on. So just like it's like a light switch. Cool guy on, cool guy off. Cool guy on, cool guy off. Cool guy on. Some other things, smile naturally. You know, like just natural smile. It's easy. Just a natural. You know how to smile naturally. Just do it. Be a good listener. I don't really agree with this one. I think a cool guy should always be the center of attention and should always be talking. So ignore that one. It's a bad advice. Become vulnerable. I mean, pretend to be vulnerable, sure, but like invulnerability, that's what's cool. Yeah, so that's it. I think this is a good starting guide for being cool. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comment below. I know I'll teach you how to be cool later on. I think if you follow this video to a T, you're gonna be like this guy within like 10 minutes, easy. So yeah, go ahead and subscribe for more videos on how to be cool. Remember, like I said, next time we're gonna talk about how to dress for your body type. So look forward to that one. Yeah, guys, hit that like button, hit that comment button, hit that subscribe button, donate to my Patreon, um, subscribe to my OnlyFans account. I post poems on there daily. Anyways, yeah, okay, guys, I'll talk to you later in the next video. Remember, be cool.